Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. Kajal Agarwal marries Gautam Kichlu in Mumbai. Kajal Agarwal and Gautam Kichlu got married in a private ceremony. The wedding ceremony is planned as a private event with limited number of guests in Mumbai. The pre-wedding festivities began days back and the pictures of Kajal's Mehndi and Haldi ceremonies came out yesterday. Their wedding was attended by immediate family members and friends adhering to COVID-19 safety norms and regulations. To exclusive clusters for manufacturing EVs and batteries. Telangana unveils EV Policy 2020-30. Telangana government will develop two exclusive industrial clusters for manufacturing of electric vehicles, EV and batteries. IT and Industries Minister K.T. Rama Rao announced this here on Friday after launching the EV Policy of Telangana 2020-30 at the Telangana EV Summit. Rao said that Chandanvalli Sitarampur in Rangareddy district and Devatipalli in Mehboob district would be developed into EV clusters. He also announced that the state would also develop a mobility cluster which would be announced next month. Mahindra and Mahindra MD Pavan Goenka, who participated in the summit through video conferencing, announced that the tractor manufacturing unit in Zahirabad in Telangana would be expanded. He said that Mahindra would also manufacture EVs in Telangana. Pavan Goenka's announcement is a matter of pride for us, Rao said. 2,886 COVID-19 cases reported in Andhra Pradesh. Another 2,886 COVID-19 cases were added anew, taking Andhra Pradesh overall tally to 8.20 lakh on Friday. The latest bulletin said 3,623 patients got cured and another 17 succumbed in 24 hours. The state's COVID-19 table showed 8,20,565 positives, 7,88,375 recoveries, and 6,676 deaths so far. Dubbak by-polls, Harish Rao exposes BJP lies. Terming Bharatiya Janata Party BJP as Bharatiya Jhota Party, Finance Minister T. Harish Rao on Friday tore into false propaganda being spread against the ruling TRS during the Dubbak by-poll campaign. He said the BJP leaders have mastered the art of spreading make-believe lies through statements, pamphlets and social media. If there is an Oscar for lies, only BJP is eligible for it. The BJP MP, who promised to bring turmeric board to Nizamabad and gave it in writing on a bond paper, has conveniently forgotten his promise as well as the woes of turmeric farmers, he said. Andhra Pradesh government to invest 17,300 crore on health. The state government will spend rupees 17,300 crore to revamp existing government hospitals and for setting up 16 new medical colleges in the state under Nadu Nedu initiative. Chief Minister Y.S. Jagannath Reddy, who held a review on Nadu Nedu in the hospitals here on Thursday, directed officials to finalize the tenders for new medical colleges by January. The Chief Minister sought details on the establishment of new medical colleges, development of village clinics, primary healthcare centers, community health centers, area hospitals, and district-level hospitals under the Nadu Nedu. Chandrababu Naidu expresses shock over Thantikonta tragic mishap. TDP President N. Chandrababu Naidu on Friday expressed deep shock and grief over the death of several persons in the Thantikonta accident in East Godavari district. Naidu said that it was unfortunate that the marriage party met with the traffic mishap near the Venkateswara temple. He expressed his deep condolences to the bereaved family members. In a statement here, the TDP chief said that the government should make sure that the injured persons receive good treatment in the hospital. The government should also provide all required assistance to the victims' families. Jagan Mohan Reddy supporting NDA bills unconditionally, says Nara Lokesh. TDP General Secretary Nara Lokesh on Friday demanded Chief Minister Y.S. Jagannath Reddy to explain to the people why all the 22 MPs of his party were unconditionally supporting the NDA government's bills at the centre without bargaining or fighting for the Andhra Pradesh reorganization promises. Lokesh asked the CM to clarify whether or not his party's support was not required for the central government to pass its bill in parliament. In that case, Jagan Reddy owned an explanation why he was not using this bargaining power to achieve Polavaram funds as special category status for the unjustly divided Andhra Pradesh state. With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share and subscribe Bayan Times.